Welcome to this video on waste management. By the end of this video, you will know how to identify, sort, and properly dispose of waste generated by the unit of certification in accordance with ASC standards. You will also become familiar with the waste management plan and its key components. Waste includes anything the unit of certification discards, such as solids or semi-solids from production processes, packaging materials, broken equipment, and outdated chemicals. There are two types of waste: non-hazardous waste, such as packaging and general refuse, which can be recycled or incinerated, and hazardous waste, which contains harmful chemicals and must be safely stored and disposed of using authorized facilities. Chemicals and hazardous materials must be stored safely, complying with national legislation. The unit of certification must account for all chemicals and hazardous waste on site and ensure the responsible disposal of waste materials that are not reduced or recycled. Dumping waste outside the company's site or in unofficial sites is strictly prohibited. It is best practice for the unit of certification to identify and train a person responsible for the appropriate storage and use of chemicals and other hazardous materials. Now, let's look at how to calculate and record waste to comply with the standard. Annually, the unit of certification must calculate, record, and report waste in tons per disposal method using the template on the ASC website. This must be reported for the calendar year before the audit and submitted annually through MyASC. At a minimum, this must be completed before the conformity assessment body's audit to allow review as part of the audit preparation process. The Waste Disposal Report template is available on the ASC Controlled Document Master List. Let's look at an example of how to report waste using the template. Suppose the unit of certification generates 50 tons of non-hazardous waste and 20 tons of hazardous waste. The disposal method must be reported for each type of waste. For example, if the 50 tons of non-hazardous waste are recycled, this should be clearly indicated. Similarly, if the hazardous waste is sent to an authorized facility for disposal, this should also be noted in the template. There is a need to develop a documented waste management plan for waste avoidance and resource recovery. The plan should include responsible practices, measures to improve, and a meaningful timeline for these improvements. The plan should be embedded within a management framework. If you are watching this video as part of the ASC Feed Standard online course and want to learn about the risk management framework, refer to the section about it that you will find on the learning platform. Alternatively, you can find more details and links in Annex 7 Figure 4 of the ASC Feed Standard. For additional examples and more detailed guidance, check the ASC Feed Interpretation Manual. In conclusion, proper waste management is important for meeting ASC standards and reducing environmental impact. By accurately categorizing, recording, and disposing of waste and using the ASC template and a solid waste management plan, the unit of certification can ensure responsible handling of both hazardous and non-hazardous materials.